Hello everyone, welcome to my 19th tutorial of Lumion version 11. This is Mayuri Wag. In previous tutorial, we seen that the PPT of how to shoot a movie. In this tutorial, we will see the how to it actually works. So let's get started. So first of all, click on movie mode. Here are the options to create a movie. Here is the style of your movie mode. You can also change realistic, interior, daytime, draw, night, color, watercolor, etc. I choose custom style. Then here is the add effect option. To adding your effect, sun, weather, sky, object, camera, animation, artistic fun, and advanced option. You can also choose the sun height, sun study, volumetric sunlight, etc. Then in weather option, you can choose the foggy weather, wind weather, precipitation, etc. In the real sky option, you can change your sky just clicking on in this. I choose another option. Then healing it, change the brightness of your sky. Then flip sky. First of all is the clip where is to add the movie shoot. Here is entire movie. Then here is the render clip. Then here is the remove to your render clip. Then edit your clip. Simply I just edit the clip. As your requirement, you create your scene in the movie mode. Then check it. I just save another shot here. Here is my current view. Then you can simply render a movie. As you can see, your entire movie is to render a small quality, HD quality, full HD quality, ultra HD quality, etc. Then current frame, you can add the additional output for the save, normal map, spectacular map, light, area option, material option. Then image sequence. You can also add your image to your video. I just click entire movie option. Then I click on HD render. I give it a name, movie. Then save the movie. Here is the time elapsed as you show. This movie is timed to 50 minutes. Here is the rendering our movie. In the movie, it's take a time to render your movie. Don't press escape button to cancel rendering. Here is the frame that you have in your movie. It is shown one by one. Here is our 10 screen you have to save. Here is very large time to render your movie. Then I simply create pausing rendering. You can pause, then cancel rendering. Then you have cancelling the rendering. Your shot is just render in by just clicking on this. You can open this shot and see your rendering movie. So remaining part we will discuss in next video. Thank you.